Hello friend, hi. My name is Nesh Mehta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, um, IT IT Magic Mehta YouTube channel. And today I am going to teach you how to make bootable pen drive. Okay, guys. Now, um, now we start now. Then you have to open CMD. First of all, then you have to click a window icon, then type cmd. Okay, guys, then click paste, enter. Then you have to show a window command prompt open. Another way, you can also open another way. You have to paste um, win key in keyboard, win key plus R. Okay, then you have to type as cmd, paste, enter. Then you have to show as cmd is open now. But in my case, I will type as win key and type cmd, paste, enter. Enter.